Okay, it's experiment time. We're going to play around with a bit of a glaze on some of these. So what we're thinking here is a bourbon, maple, hint of soy glaze. Bourbon, I mean, obviously, why not? The maple, I think, will pair super awesome with that. And then a little splash of soy for just a little bit of umami. So in order to do that, what we have determined is we want to do a 5, 4, and 1 part ratio. So let's see what that looks like and what that tastes like. So I'm going to do just shy on a 1/4 cup of that. So we're going for about 50 mils. This is super scientific and precise. And we're going to go with the bourbon at approximately 40 mils.
The scientist in me is dying as I watch you do this.
It should be. Oh, always be prepared, right? Pop this lid off with the soy here. And we'll go for about 10 mils of that. I'm going to stir this up, and then we're going to have a taste. Yeah, and then we'll just have this spray bottle, and we can spray it onto the bacon on those fatties. So, let's have a little taste. Here you go, Mr. Scientist. Good luck trying to taste that.
Multitask, thank you.
Precisely. Oh, I think that's fantastic. Yes, big thumbs up there. Sweet. Okay, so I'm going to track down a funnel here. So we'll pop this into here, and when we come back, we will be glazing our meat.